How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get six-pack abs step by step at home. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So I'm going to show you guys a modified stomach vacuum. This is all I do for my abs, and my abs are super, super shredded. Old school bodybuilders used to do this back in the day. They used to do just normal stomach vacuums. I kind of made a modified stomach vacuum, if you will. So you probably will not see this on the internet. This works for me really, really good. So you can do it standing or sitting in a chair. It doesn't matter. I find sitting in a chair is just easier to do it. So put your hand on your stomach. Now what you want to do is you're going to breathe air in and out through your stomach. Your chest should not rise. So just in and out through your stomach. When you pull the air in, you want to hold it for about 2 seconds. So it should look like this. So air comes out, comes in, hold for 1, 2, out. In, holds for 2 seconds, out, in for 2 seconds, out, in for 2 seconds. Just keep doing this. I've been doing this for about 5 years now. This is all I do for my abs. So I'm just going to tell you the workout sets and reps. So I'll typically do about 30 reps and I'll do about 5 sets. So I do about 150 reps. I'll do this every day or every other day. When I'm bulking, I do it every other day. When I'm trying to lose weight or cutting weight, I do it every single day. So it really depends. You can do more. You can do 50 rep sets. You can do 100 rep sets. It doesn't matter. I try to get about 150 to 200 reps when I do it. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.